Reader. You're going to search download Tableau Reader, and you're going to click on this just to make sure you're on the right place, and looks like we are. So you're going to click this download now button, and this is on a Mac. So you're just going to wait while this loads. All right, should be done in a few seconds. And this is, this is normal. This is what you would expect, or expect how long it would take. So just give it a moment. And what you're going to do with this is you're going to be able to open up a story, a tablet story, and this will help you understand how Tableau works through Tableau Reader. All right, and then you're going to click this. And you are going to open this. All right, we're just going to give it a moment. All right, we're going to see if it has finished loading. It has not. So just going to wait for this and wait for it to install. All right. Okay, and you're going to go to Applications, and here you go. You're going to click Continue. You should obviously read this, but since I have already, we're just going to click Continue, Agree. We're going to install it. All right. We're going to, that's just for security purposes. All right. And we're going to see. All right, it still has not loaded, which is normal. We're just waiting for it to write off the files. All right, it probably won't take that time. Yep, and now it's about 3 minutes, which it'll, yep. Okay, and once this is complete, you're gonna click continue again, and it's successful. So you're gonna close, you're gonna keep, and then you're gonna get a Tableau reader. It does take a moment for it to open up for the first time. Yes, it can. Alright, and now it's going to open. Alright, and what you're going to do is you're going to want to look to open and access stories using Tableau Reader. Um, so this, of course, is typical. We can exit out of that. Uh, Apologies. Uh, so you're going to want to click register. And we're going to click browse for file. Yep, like I said, register. Registration completed. Click browse for a file. All right, and then you go to your documents and wherever you had downloaded it, it would be story workbook right here. All right, and that is hopefully how you can do it if it works for you.